Assalamu alaikum guys, I am Nahid from Master 360 YouTube channel. Today I will share a real mining application. That mining site is called Savi.
This mining site is in Remitano's partner.
And congratulations to those who have already worked in Remitano.
Let's see how to create an account. Create an account in detail about the things that are there. I will discuss how to make an account here. It means to make an account in Savi. You have to go to the Play Store first. After going to the Play Store, write Savi in the search icon above and search. Then this app will come in front of you. Then install this app. Mine is already installed. So I'm opening from here, then click on Login and Register. Then an interface like this will open and you can see the Google logo below. Click on the logo. Clicking on this Google logo will show all the Gmail accounts on your phone. Click on the Gmail that you want to use to create an account in Savi. If you click it, it will be logged in your Gmail account, and if you are a Remitano user, then select the Gmail with which your Remitano account was created. And if you are not mining in Remitano,
then you can select any Gmail of your choice. So, after selecting your Gmail,
an interface like this will appear. Now click here on triangle shape and use this refer code. If you don't use the referral code here, the app will repeatedly ask you to use the referral code. That's why it's important to use its referral code. After using the referral link, tick the agreement and click on the confirm option. Click on confirm option. And you will see an interface like this. Those who worked in already Remitano must click here.
And those who have not worked in Remitano before can verify your identity by clicking on that option. After clicking, a page like this will appear in front of you. Click on Verify now, then click on the Select Country option.
You can select any country here. I am selecting Vietnam here. Here we selected Vietnam because other country options have not been added yet.
If they add our country through the next update, we can edit and add our own country.
Then you click on Next. Voila, is now ready to mine your account. Now you come to Home option, then click on Mine Now option. If you have used the referral code, then there will be no problem, and if not using the referral code, then a pop-up will appear asking you to use the referral code. Then you can start mining by clicking on Mining Now option. So today's video ends here. Fi Amanillah.